In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a page in a PDF on a Mac using Preview. We'll keep this quick and clear. Preview is built into Mac OS, which makes it the easiest way to remove one or more pages from a PDF without installing anything else. Start by opening your PDF in the Preview app. If Preview is your default PDF viewer, double-click the file and it will open right up. If it opens in another app, right-click the file, choose Open With, and select Preview to make sure you're in the right place. Next, make sure you can see all the pages along the side or in a grid. If you don't see thumbnails yet, go to the menu bar at the top of your screen and choose View, then Thumbnails. This shows a sidebar with small previews of each page, which makes selecting the right one much easier. If you prefer a larger, multi-page view, you can choose View, then Contact Sheet, and you'll get a grid layout you can scroll through. Either option works. Pick the one that helps you identify pages quickly. Now select the page you want to remove by clicking its thumbnail. You'll see a highlight around the page to confirm it's selected. If you need to remove more than one page, hold down the Command key while clicking Additional Thumbnails to select multiple pages at once. Take a moment to double-check your selections so you remove exactly what you intend. With your page or pages selected, delete them. The fastest method is to press the Delete key on your keyboard while the thumbnails are highlighted. If you prefer using menus, go to the menu bar, click Edit, and choose Delete. If nothing happens, make sure the thumbnails are selected and not the main page view. If you delete the wrong page by accident, you can immediately undo with Command-Z before saving. Finally, save your changes so the pages are permanently removed. Go to File and choose Save to overwrite the original PDF. If you want to keep the original intact, choose File, then Save As. Give your new file a name, and save it wherever you like. Save As is a great choice when you're editing sensitive documents and want a backup. Once saved, your deleted pages are gone from that version, so review everything before you finalize. That's it. You opened the PDF in Preview, showed the page thumbnails, selected the page or pages you didn't need, deleted them, and saved your updated document. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a quick refresher.